welcome to another session. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about recently I have done this second service center of my new Unicorn 150. So I'm gonna tell you about some good things about this bike, and gonna tell you some the bad things which I face about this bike. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about recently which I have done the second service center about this bike. The first service center which I have done was around like 400 or 500 kilometers within a month. They have told me that you can do the service center, and the second which I have done is around like 3 months I have done the service center. So the first service center which I have done, I've already uploaded the videos about this bike, and the second service center which I have done recently, so I'm just uploading the video. So guys, after doing the service center about this bike of second service center, you can check the kilometers. I think I have used the kilometers around 1700 or 600. Yeah, if you can check, so 1687 cab consume and 1600 kilometers which I have used after doing the second service center. Main question about this is the mileage, and definitely I can tell you the mileage which I got around in Mumbai traffic. You can say around 45 to 50 the mileage was I was getting, but if I am going for a long ride, definitely I was getting more than 50. So guys, if you are in Mumbai and if you're riding this bike, it's definitely cool. And about the tire, I can say it's fabulous. There is no any skid in this. You can ride this bike smooth way, and the main question is that there is no vibration in this bike. You can ride this bike very easily, very smoothly. And the main reason is this: I have done the second service center in this. So after doing the second service center, the main question is that the bike driving is very smooth as compared to which I've done the first service center. They have changed the gear oil, the engine oil, whatever they do, they have done each and everything was very fantastic. And now the pickup which I'm getting is as very good as compared to before. Was not quite good, but it was like this stable. But after doing the second service center, it was very good, I can say very good. So the main reason is that you can do the service center proper on time, so you can maintain your bike each and everything. You can maintain whatever the things you're getting. If you have any questions, you can ask to your service center decks each and everything. They will help you very nicely. So I have done the second service center with this. I'm very satisfied with this bike around in terms of the mileage, I can say, and in the terms of like riding in like Mumbai traffics and all, each and everything was very fantastic. Currently about this rating, I can say it's very good. I can rate about this bike around in terms of tech 10, I can rate 9 about this bike, because each and everything we are getting in 150cc. Like you can ride the top speed, you can go with like 90, 95, 100. I have gone with this bike, and there is no vibration with this bike, and better mileage in Mumbai traffic. So these are the things I'm sharing with you about this Unicorn 150. So guys, if you feel any questions regarding this bike, definitely you can ask me on my comment section. So, and if you like this video, so guys, please subscribe to my channel, Raven Vlogs. I will upload more videos regarding this. Okay guys, see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.